Ah, right. Okay, now I think it's called continuity. It's been 3 months or so since I did the last video about my amplifier, which is here, Jane. You can take a picture of it there. Okay, that's it. And and surprisingly, when I last did the video, I was wearing this T-shirt. So for continuity purposes, this is the preparation that I've done for this video. The rest of it, I'm just speaking as I think. But I have professionally prepared some notes because surprisingly, I put the video up on YouTube and I've got 36 subscribers now. And not only that, there's been about 500 people that have watched this video that I did about the Billie Mk3 amplifier from Heaven 11. And about 3 or 4 or 5 people have actually said, where's the next bit of the video? Because the first video was the unboxing and I said I was going to do a video of what it's like, but I never did until now. Anyway, so I just wanted to give a little bit of background of the Billie Mk3. I first heard about it in February 23 and I created an account with them. They're based, I said last video that they're in Ontario, but they're not. They're in Montreal, Canada. So I'm sorry about that. And so February 23, I created an account. I'm just going to put this light on so I can see what I'm saying. And I really considered getting it in July of 23. And I joined the waiting list in December of 23. Because by that time, the Billie Mk2 was what was out then, but it had all sold out and they were going to be doing the Billie Mk3. By the time I decided I wanted one, they were onto the Billie Mk3, but it hadn't yet come out. So meanwhile, I bought myself an Edwards audio amplifier to keep me going while I waited for the Billie Mk3 to come out. Stop laughing, Jane. Anyway, so the pre-sale of the Billie Mk3 came out in January of this year, and I decided that I was going to go for it, even though it's the most expensive piece of hi-fi equipment I've ever bought. And I paid a deposit, £400 deposit, in February of this year, and I ordered it then. And then I was told that it's ready to be configured in June of this year. So it was quite a long wait. And in June, I had to decide, what have I written here? I've put small bag in the ordering. Oh, there was a small bug in the ordering system, because when it came to the various options, I chose the gold valves, which light up, you see. I chose the gold ones, but I couldn't work out how to configure that in the order. So I contacted HiFi, who is the owner of the company, and he came back straight away to tell me how to do it, and that's what I did. So that was the small bug in the ordering system, and the total cost of it, I'm almost embarrassed to say, but it was around about £3,000 in total. But yes, I'm sorry, Jane, I know, but I decided, I'm old, I'm 66 years old, and it was my birthday present to myself in my retirement year. Anyway, I decided to go for the fully loaded version, which came with I chose the Hypex power supply and a performance DAC, and the tubes are JJECC 99 gold tubes. And the only thing that I've regretted is that I chose these knobs, American walnut knobs, and they're quite dark, because when you use the remote control, which I should have got here, here's the remote control. By the way, the remote control, it's really nice. It's solid, it's metal, and it feels really nice. And when you press the volume up or down, watch this. See? The knob turns. And I've discovered that when I'm sitting in the armchair over there, listening over here, imagine I'm sitting here like this, and I'm pressing the remote control. in the dark it's difficult to see the knob turning. So I think I'm going to order some new knobs that are lighter colour. I'll come back round here now. So what's my thinking about the amplifier? Well, I absolutely love it. I really do like it. It's the best piece of hi-fi equipment. What are you saying, Jane?
Turn that light off.
Turn the light off. Oh right, okay. Right, it's the best piece of equipment I think I've ever bought for hi-fi, except perhaps what I've got here. This is, I'll just do a little tour of my hi-fi system. I've got, I'll put the light back on just to show that. I've got a transcriptors turntable. I had a similar sort of experience with like weighting and so on, but I love it. And I don't know whether I could put a record on. No, I won't do it because I think copyright prevents me from doing that. I'm not sure, but anyway, look at this. It's mesmerising. Wow. So I've got my turntable. I've got the amplifier. What's this? iPod. Jane's pointing. My iPod. I like to keep in the old-fashioned ways. I've got an iPod. That's my nice little light. Down here, I was actually given this. This is a Name Unity, and I love the fact that it's got a CD player in it. So I use this only for a CD, for playing CDs. And here I've got a Weem Ultra, and this is my streamer. And I've actually got the what have I got? I've got something linked to that so that I can use the equalizer on it, but I can't remember what it is. I get so confused now. I've had to write down all the different inputs and outputs for the Weem, and up here I've got the various inputs, because on here you can select what type of input you have. So the one on the far right, that's the only thing that I'd say isn't, well, it is good from a design point of view for the amplifier, but there's no labels to say what each of these selectors are for. So the only way I can remember is to write it all down. So the one on the far right is for the turntable. The next one along is for the CD player. The next one along is blank. And the one that the Weem is connected to is the 1, 2, 3, fourth one along. So when I want to listen to the streamer, I have to have 2, 3, that one there. So that's for the streamer. So anyway, I know I've been rambling on a little bit, haven't I?
Yes.
I'll just check my notes in case there's anything I've forgotten. The music's come on. This is what I was listening to last night. Robert Plant, fantastic album, really good. Maybe I shouldn't. The speakers. I'll just turn it up a little bit. These are my speakers, Amphion's S3s, and these have been given to me. I'm not quite sure whether to keep them or not. I think I prefer the Amphion's. I'm not sure yet, but not bad, eh? So I'll turn that back. Oh yeah, all I was going to say is thank you very much for watching this. Please put in the comments whether you think it's rubbish, or should I be more professional, or is it okay to do it just like this? And if I get any viewers that watch this, please subscribe to the channel. It's called the Muddy Water Book Club channel on YouTube. And one day I'll be a millionaire and I'll be able to buy something else for my hi-fi system. And is that okay, Jane?
It's great.
Okay, thank you very much. Tell me when you're going to stop. 1, 2, 2, 3, stop. Cut.